This is just a quick video because it's been pointed out to me that silly me on page 7, if you just turn with me to section B, we're talking about major keys with 4 sharps or 4 flats, and it's been pointed out to me that I've just missed one little part of the question, so I'm just going to quickly rectify that. Silly me, that's just me with the pressures under the camera, just making a little mistake there. So if it's asked you to write the key signature, that's the first part, which I completed. However, we also need to add the tonic triad for each of these keys, so I'm just going to quickly pop those in. So in A flat major, A flat is the tonic, of course. The key signature takes care of the flat, and so we just need first, third, fifth. So it's a simple space, space, space. Here for E major in the bass clef, here's the key signature, so E is the tonic, so all cows eat, there's the E, and then we want first, third, fifth. And so if I do this now, E major in the treble, there's the key signature in its position for the treble, and then here's the E, first, third, fifth. And here's A major, if you remember the space is all cows eat grass, so here's the tonic, A, C, E, first, third, fifth, there's the tonic triad. So I do apologise for just missing those. Thanks for watching. If you can give me a like, that would be super. Please do subscribe to my channel to keep updated, and please do visit sharonbill.com to make use of all of the resource and information that's available to help you there. See you next time. Bye.